The MTF Fractals Indicator is one of the main tools used to determine the trend reversal, retracement or the emergence of a new trend. They allow you to enter at the most advantageous point and earn many points even with one order. Moreover, the fractal indicator always works without redrawing, due to which its signals are particularly accurate. In practice, traders use both the basic version of the instrument and modified algorithms. It is about them that will be discussed in this article. MTF Fractal Indicator is a support/resistance indicator, used to define the key market levels based on its fractal calculations. This indicator has been developed to assist the short-term traders who wish to trade in coordination with recent swing areas of the market. Since it is a scalping indicator, you may apply it on shorter timeframes like M1 to M15 charts of your MT4 platform. MTF Fractal Indicator allows you to apply it to all kinds of forex currency pairs. Besides, it suits all types of trading styles. Its simplicity of use and easy rules of trading offers great privilege for the newbie traders. The MTF Fractal Indicator essentially hints at the retracement of a new trend. Even a single order on the advice of this indicator can help gain a lot as it displays the best points in the market. It also does not redraw, and hence there is preciseness in this indicator when it shows the signals. While trading, traders utilize both complex and basic versions of this indicator. We will discuss this further in the article, so let's begin. The MTF Fractal Indicator for MT4, better referred to as the multi-timeframe fractal indicator for MT4, is a complex indicator, programmed to detect and show various patterns in the market dynamics that are not visible to the naked eyes. By being a multi-timeframe fractal indicator, the MTF Fractal Indicator is able to show the fractal points of higher timeframes on lower timeframes. How does the MTF Fractal Indicator work? The MTF Fractal Indicator provides the traders with the fractals of all timeframes on one selected chart. By default, down fractals are highlighted in blue, up fractals are highlighted in red. When you point the mouse cursor on the line, the indicator displays information about the time frame on which the fractal is formed and its price level. The MTF Fractal Indicator is convenient for traders who use elements of fractal theory in their trading. The indicator facilitates the work, allowing you to see all the information on one screen without opening additional tabs. Indicator can also serve as one element for creating your trading system or improving an existing one. MTF Fractal Indicator Trading Strategy. Now, let's discuss the MTF Fractal Indicator Trading Strategy. By setup, whenever you see an up fractal, blue line, wait for a bullish candle to complete its course above the fractal support. Place a buy stop order few pips above the high of the candle. Place the stop loss slightly below the fractal support. Book profit and close the position manually when you see down fractals on the chart. Alternatively, you can place the take profit at the next horizontal resistance level on the chart. Sell setup whenever you see a down fractal, red line, wait for a bearish candle to complete its course below the fractal resistance. Place a sell stop order slightly below the low of the candle. Place the stop loss slightly above the fractal support. Book profit and close the position manually when you see up fractals on the chart. Alternatively, you can place the take profit at the next horizontal support level on the chart. MTF Fractal Conclusion. Fractal is a trend indicator commonly used to detect the retracement of a trend or the trend reversal. The indicator can be applied on any time frame. However, it is not wise to depend on the indicator solely. You may combine other tools to confirm your trading entry and mitigate the risk. He functionality of Fractal Indicator. This indicator displays the time frame fractals on a selected chart to help the traders gain profits. As per the default settings of the Fractal Indicator, the blue color is for down fractals, and red is for up fractals. If you take your cursor on any line, it will display important information about the time frame where the fractal is formed and show the asset's price level. If you are a trader who utilizes fractals in your trading strategy, this is a suitable indicator for you. You won't need to open multiple tabs and, hence, your work is more accessible as you don't have to switch between different screens. You can also utilize the facility of this indicator to create or improve